How to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. Hello everyone, on this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys a simple process how to import any AliExpress product reviews to your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, I will show you an example on AliExpress and imported AliExpress reviews to your Shopify product. This is an example. Then I will show you also how easily import start rating and add a review section to your Shopify product without no issue, even you are a beginner or professional. Then guys, go back and open your Shopify dashboard. Then scroll down to hit and settings on the bottom. Then guys, I will show you how easily install the application to help you to import any AliExpress product reviews to your Shopify store. First you need to hit on Shopify App Store. Then guys, it's very easy to import reviews. Just make sure to finish this video and take all the simple process to add in or imported reviews from AliExpress product or any AliExpress product to your Shopify store. Then guys, hit on Shopify App Store on the top. Then guys, in the search bar, hit on judge.me. Tap judge.me. Then guys, judge.me is the application. It's free version application, easy to use to download and upload AliExpress product reviews to your Shopify. Then guys, you need to upload the both applications, and also it's a free version and easy to use. Then go first and upload and install this application on your Shopify. Then hit on install. Then you need to install the first application, judge.aliexpress or judge.me. As you see guys, judge.me reviews. Then hit on install. Then wait a few seconds to install the application on your Shopify. Then when you finish installing the application, just go back again and you need to install the second application. When you finish installing, it's take a few seconds guys, don't worry. As you see guys, this is the dashboard application. Then go back again, then go back and you need to install the second application, judge.me AliExpress reviews. Then open this application also, the same process, hit on install. As you see guys, it's very easy. Just follow all these simple steps to be able to create and import any reviews. Then hit on install guys. Then you need to install the application on your Shopify also. Then guys, when you finish installing the both application, go back to the first application. Then first you need to select which language, then hit on English. Then my current theme, you need to select which current that you want to add this application. Then hit on setup. Then guys, first you need to enable apps on your Shopify store. Then guys, make sure to select judge.me and make it enable. Then hit on save on the top to save this application on your Shopify store. Then again, go back and hit on continue. Then hit on install review widget. Then guys, you need to select and drag this review section on your Shopify store. This is our product. Then as you see guys, the review widget was added. Then you can easily select and drag it which place that you want to add this application or this section. I prefer to put it under your product. Then guys, this is the section was added. Then hit on save again. Then also go back to your Shopify application, then hit on continue. Then now you need to install start rating on your Shopify product. Again, the same process. You need to install and add start rating to your product description, to your product section. As you see guys, this is your start rating in the bottom. You can just select the start rating on the left and drag it under the title, as you see guys. Then wait a few seconds, then automatically the start rating was added in the title automatically. Then you can also customize it. You can add it under price or any place that you want in the product section. After adding and selecting or customizing the start rating and also the review widget, then go directly on the top and hit on save. Then guys, automatically your application was customized and added to your Shopify product or your Shopify store successfully. Then when you finish, just go back to hit on continue. Then guys, you need to select which color that you want to use with the start rating or start color. For example, I prefer this one, or the blue one, or the red one, or yellow. As you see guys, I prefer this one. Then hit on continue. Then guys, I prefer 10 days and also international orders 10 days. Then hit on finish. Now guys, all done. You are ready to collect reviews and display it on this display them in your store. Then guys, after finishing your customizing on your application, then go back and hit on apps and go and open judge.me AliExpress reviews. This application guys, it's help you to import any AliExpress product reviews to your Shopify store without no issue or without no problem. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Then guys, scroll to the bottom to import reviews. Just first guys, go and open the product or the same product that you want to import the reviews to your Shopify store. As you see guys, I have the same product on my Shopify store. Then I want to import these reviews from this product or from AliExpress to my Shopify store. Then guys, make sure to take the simple process or the simple steps to easily import your product to your Shopify or review product to your Shopify. As you see guys, when you open the application judge.me AliExpress reviews, just scroll down. You can easily add another product, or you can select which product that you have on your Shopify store. As you see guys, you have this product, sunglasses for women. Then guys, you need to go to AliExpress and copy the link. Then copy the AliExpress link, then go back and paste it and hit on import. Then guys, first you need to select how many numbers of reviews to import. I prefer to choose just 3 or 4, because if you are a beginner, to make your account or your product more professional. Then hit on import reviews. Then wait a few seconds to import reviews. As you see guys, import in progress. Then guys, wait a few seconds to make and import the all reviews to your Shopify product. Then guys, go back and open your Shopify dashboard. As you see guys, go and hit on online store. Then guys, select the theme guys. Then select the theme. Then hit on customize on the bottom to see your reviews or your product reviews, how it look like on your Shopify store. As you see guys, on the top, hit on home page, then scroll to product section, then hit on default product. As you see guys, the sunglasses, the start rating was added, and you need to scroll down to custom reviews, and reviews was imported successfully from your AliExpress. As you see guys, this is the same reviews on your AliExpress product, and also was imported successfully to your Shopify and Shopify product. As you see guys, this is the easy method to import any product reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. Then guys, if you want to customize your application, just go back and open your Shopify dashboard and hit on apps and select, then hit on judge.me reviews. Then guys, you need go to general settings and you can easily customize your application on your Shopify with adding the logo or the contact information or anything. As you see guys, this is the general settings on judge.me reviews. This is your account, the plan if you want to add some plan, the branding. You can also change the color, star color. Then guys, you need to add your logo to add it to your store. You can easily select integration. You can select which add another application to help you to import reviews. Notification section, you can admin notification email, advanced. Then guys, when you finish customizing your application, hit on save on the bottom, then automatically your applications will be ready to import any reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. As you see guys, this is the easy method to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify without no issue. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.